Welcome. In today's guide, you're going to learn how to enable the option to save videos from Telegram groups directly to your phone's gallery. This feature makes it easier to keep your favorite or important clips without having to search for them inside the app every time. Let's get started first. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so everything works smoothly. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. After the menu opens, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can customize almost everything about how Telegram works for you inside Settings. Locate and tap on Data and Storage. This section controls how Telegram handles downloads, media, and data usage. Now, look for an option called Groups. Tap on it to open the specific media settings for group chats. Inside, you'll see different types of media like photos, files, music, and, of course, videos. Find the toggle button next to Videos. Switch it on. Once you do, videos shared in your Telegram groups will automatically be saved to your device's gallery. This means the next time someone shares a video, it'll appear right inside your phone's photo or video folder, ready to play, send, or share elsewhere. That's all it takes, just a few quick taps, and you'll never have to manually download Telegram group videos again. It's simple, fast, and saves you time whenever you want to rewatch or share any of your favorite clips. If this update helped you, take a second to try it out and see how convenient it is. Keep exploring Telegram's settings to discover other useful features that make your chats and media sharing even smoother.